Hi guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm gonna show you how I created a visionary Notion template using ChatGPT help. So let me show you the homepage I created with the database that I created first, with the help of ChatGPT. So this is the homepage. In the homepage there is two main views: vision view, productivity view. And in the vision view there is cat my cat page, affirmation, mood board, and vision wiki, which the affirmation and mood board is entirely connected with the my character. So we can add affirmation in using the my character inside my character and see it here. And then the and mood board also could be created using the my character view. I will show you detailed later. And then in productive view we have the habits, which is connected to my character, which something like I will explain. If you want to be make 1 million in this 2025, that's your character. And to achieve that character, the habit should be like starting a business and working on the business, and like a partnership, and or hustling every 5 minutes, 5 hours, or learning a skill, um, like coding for 5 hours a day. That's a habit to master that skill to make 1 million. Okay. And then there is goal manager. After the goal manager page we have the milestones. After milestones we have hardship page. So that's the home page. So let's discuss how I created a home page with the help of ChatGPT. So in order to make a home page, I needed to make a powerful database. So in the database I create a like 4 pages. Wait till dot. Yeah, 4 pages. The character page, goal page, area page, area database, and habit database. These all are database pages. Okay. So how I created, let's see the ChatGPT. First I said hi, and she replied like, hi, how can I assist you today? So I explained like, today we are going to create a Notion template for managing vision in for 2025. Yeah, it's like a vision board and character development Notion template. So before creating that, let's know what vision board is actually. So I told ChatGPT to create and explain what is vision board. So she explained that what is vision board is, and the key elements of vision board, benefits of vision board, and that's it. So after that, okay, let's now create a database. So in order to create a database, I brainstormed myself to come up with pages. Okay, I created framework using brainstorming, like the pages that indeed help the system via in system in mind. So I brainstormed and come up with the database pages that really helped me complete this Notion template, and they are future me. So I changed the name later, like to character. So and after that there's future me, change it to character, and then goals database, area database, and habit database, just like that. And then I explained what are the purpose of each pages. For future me, this is something for character development, for thinking of for 2025. Here is here that better self for you have a mind to achieve in 2025. So basically it's simple as that. In 2020, the future me, how I should be like in 2025. Like if I want to be a boxer, if I want to be financially free, or what's the main goal in 2025 is the future me, basically, or slash, I mean the character you want to develop in 2025. So the database set for the future me. And then there is goals database. The goal database are basically that need to be done to create a character to me, character in me. That's the main purpose. Okay, I will explain that. Goals database. Goals database are the goals or projects that to be done in order to achieve the future me. Okay, if I, for example, the if the future me's goal is to in 2025 is financially free, or earning this much amount of money, then the goal should be starting a business, okay, or working on the project, working on a big project or an idea. That's a goal. Okay, after the goal, there is area database. Area database is like the areas that is connected to the goals. If let's take that example for example, like financial free. So it's a area from financial. Okay, that's the area in the life area you connected, like that financial freedom is connected to financial. So that's the area. After that, there is habit database. Habit database are integrated to your character development. Like the goal is to future me goal is to get financially free. The goal should be starting a business, and the habit should be waking up, waking early, and working on the project, or working on the skill for 5 hours. That's a habit. Okay, working on a 1 hour or 2 hour, it's a habit you want to create. So basically that's it. I don't want to explain and confuse you. So that's it, keep in that mind. After that, she told me, okay, got it, let's start, and that's it. And then I told her, okay, yeah, that's the idea, and create the database. So what she did was created a database which is simple, actually: name, vision, description, core value, related goal, and so on, so on, so on. You can just do that if you want, but I just gone a little further, like this: create a right properties for database page, and create page using properties for Notion table below. So I just copied all the properties that can be created in Notion and pasted here, and then just enter. And she created a helpful and properties here, and there's a lot, but you don't have to copy or do it. I just improved that here. Yeah, you just have to uh, do everything that ChatGPT says, uh, adding all the properties that they given here. We don't have to do that. Like, we just have to brainstorm it. What's brainstorm it and just select the properties that really needed. Okay, and just that, like that, I did here. So just like that, in the data character database, I only added the properties that needed, like name, vision description, core values, why it matters, and so on, so on. Okay, you can see. And also I changed the system a bit. I will tell you that later. So just I will show you the database first. So I used only the essential properties that really needed for the Notion template. So I just don't didn't just copy it all and added here. Just brainstormed a bit and added the essentials only. So these are the, and then changed the deadline to start and end deadline, and date to only a single deadline. And that's it. That's the basic actually how I created a database, powerful database. What I did a extra bit here is, actually, in areas I created two extra areas, like affirmation and vision board. Okay, and affirmation and vision board is directly connected to character, and character where you can add affirmation character to only add and show affirmation only, and in affirmation area. And in vision board, yeah, you can only add the pictures. Okay, I will show you what I mean here. Okay, homepage. So basically, in in using the future me and slash the cat database, you can create affirmation and vision board. So that's why I create areas for both affirmation and vision board actually, to show the affirmations separately that added in the uh, my kata database, the kata database, and mood board separately in, that is added in the kata database. Two different things. Okay, like if imagine I will explain in show you an example. Okay, so in here we are added a cat. Okay, yeah, in here we added a cat called financial freedom. Got it? And in the financial freedom cat, we have affirmation, like some like I am getting better and better every day. And there is also an inspirational source, and this inspirational source go to the vision board, and the affirmation go to the affirmation a page we created in the home page. But also not, and how it make and I did an extra level thing. I will show you that in the information page. Yeah, you can see itself you created a three two four three three affirmations here. So why it's showing three affirmations? We only add two characters, right? Yeah, two characters, right? So why it's showing three affirmations? So basically what I did is create a new character and change its name. Okay, wait till what? Yeah, change its name to affirmation, and only added affirmation only. Okay, I didn't check added anything, just affirmation only. That's why it's showing in the affirmation page. Okay, just like that. In the vision board I did the same thing. I'll show you. Yeah, just like the in vision board I just create a new character and change its name to vision board, and add the link it to vision board area, and then add an inspiration source. That's why it's showing in the mood board. Simple as that. Now we discussed about the vision view. Yeah, I didn't explain the vision wiki. Vision wiki is actually show everything the goal related to vision areas actually. Wait a little. Vision wiki just show you uh, the goals that are related to areas, like the financial here, which is in the financial here, which is an area, and the goal related to that area is starting a business. Yeah, simple as that. Okay, and then there in productivity we have the habit page, goal manager page, milestone page, and achieved page. Simply in habits we can see all the, wait, I will show you. You can see all the habits with the simple button. We can change the name. Okay, like simply here and change the name. Have maybe any habit you maybe you can add here, and you can also change that in the habit section too. Okay, this all showing is habit 1, habit 2, habit 3, habit 4, and there is 7 habits. You can change the rename that habit, or delete habits if you want. Okay, and there is you can also see the character you are working on 2025, and there is a weekly and monthly calendar. After that we have the goal manager page. In the goal manager page we have buttons, 5 buttons: new goal, progress, the current the progress, when you tap this you can see the current project you are working on. Go to the progress, and the done page, the done button, where you press that you will go, the current project you are working on will be done, and on hold and archive. This is 4 are related to the current goals, so remember that. Then there is basic view, which is equal to recent, inbox, not started, in progress, on hold, done, and there is a timeline. Okay. After that, there is a milestone page. Milestone page is basically just show you the goals that are done or accomplished. It's the main purpose is showing give you motivation of to how many goals you achieved in 2025, uh, uh end of 2025. It's like, yeah, this is December. Okay, this is, imagine this is visionary is 2024, and it's December, and when I go to this page you can see the milestones, and you can just get an aha moment, like achieving seeing these achieving goals that I achieved so far. That's the main purpose actually. You can see whenever you want to get a motivation. After that, there's archived page, where you can see all the pages that are archived. Wait, okay, sorry. The character you are archived, the call you are archived, the areas you are archived, and habits you are archived. That's it. So now you know how to create a powerful database using ChatGPT. I mean, the properties you want to select. It's very helpful to get an idea about how what property you want to select. Then apply that here by creating a database. Then you just need to arrange the home page. Simple as that. Again, I'm using that word so many times, so forgive me for that. And that's it. We're done. And if you want to actually improve or go further, then you can like uh, name the give the property name, like call database, create formula, then give the property name you have added in the database. Then with this property, say to ChatGPT that this property create formula for Notion. They will give you a formulas for your Notion, that there is until deadline, overdue, and empty priority recommendation. But this can get you a further, like a bit further, but these formulas always don't be right. So you need to tell ChatGPT how this formula should be or your idea, and just improve the prompt to get a effective formula from ChatGPT. And that's it. Hope you like this video, and subscribe for more useful Notion helpful videos, and get inspired, or hit that like button always, because I just that gives a pops or booms to rank high. Thank you.